Assalamu alaikum. Today, transformation of sentences, the rule inserting to. Inserting to. Now here we have to insert to. In exercise 1, we were removing to, and in exercise 2, it is insert to. So, the rule for inserting to. Gopal is so fat that he cannot run. It is very simple. When you all have understood how to remove to, then it is very easy to insert to. Now in place of to we were writing so. So now in place of so we will write to. Gopal is too fat. Then in place of to we were writing that. So now in place of that we will write to. Now I hope this much is clear to you all. Gopal is too fat to. Now he cannot. Till cannot we have to remove, and after cannot whatever is written we have to write it. What is written? Sit. So what we will write? Sit. So our sentence is Gopal is too fat to sit. I hope it is clear to you all. Now the second sentence I have written of the rule for me. Okay, because it is already clear in remove to, that's why I am not explaining only one sentence. That's why I am explaining only one sentence, and the next sentence is of the other rule. The book is so costly that I cannot buy it. Too dark for us. This we have written that we, which in the last video I have told you all that this is you all have to learn. Me for I, us for we, them for they, and you for you. So now here the book is so costly that I cannot buy it. Now see how we will transform it. The book is, in place of so we have to write to. The book is too costly. Now that I, here what is it was written? That he means Gopal. It was to Gopal, that Gopal is so fat that he cannot. Both are same. In both sentence, before that and after that is about the same person. That's why we are writing only Gopal is too fat to sit. But see the difference between the first and the second sentence. In second sentence, the book is so costly that I. Before that, it is about book, and after that, it is about I. So your rule will be changed. Now the book is, in place of so we will write to. The book is too costly for, in place of I we will write me. The book is too costly for me to buy. Now after cannot, whatever is remaining. Now you all can write buy it, or either you all can write only buy. Both is right. Okay. Now exercises in exercise 2. Exercise 2. Now I have already explained both the rules, so you all have to do the exercise 2, and whatever problem is there. See, I have explained both the rules, so you all have to do total exercise 2. Total exercise 2 is your homework, and whatever problem is there in any sentence, then you all can ask me in my comment box and I will clear it out. Okay? Thank you and have a nice day.